In this video, I'll show you how you can change the background color or background element type. So to change the background of my page, I would first have to select it. For this specific template, you can see the white part here. That is the background of my specific page here. In other templates, the background might look different. It might be a video, it might be an image, it might be a specific color. But for this template, you can determine the background. You can see the background because it's behind all of the other elements here. So by clicking the background, you can see all of the different options on the right. So I can change the color here to either red or gray or white or whichever color I prefer. I can make it a little transparent as well, but since it's a background, that doesn't really do anything. And you can change the element type of your background as well. And you can see that when you've selected the background, like I've done right now by seeing the green outline around it, you can see at the bottom left of the elements, you can see the type of element it is. So for now it's a color, but when I hover over it with my mouse, you can see two more options here. So I can either change it to an image or change it to a video straight from here. So by clicking on image, you can see in the right menu that there will be more options available. So I can change the image now by either opening the library or uploading something from my computer. Then we have the video option as well, in which we can simply copy and paste a YouTube or Vimeo URL to make the background a video. So that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.